I'm going to go over deadlifts with a band, not to be confused with our banded deadlifts. So what you'll need for this is you'll set up, place the band underneath both feet, evenly spaced out, okay? And this movement really works the top of the range of movement in a deadlift. So you notice that I have one end of the band in each hand, nice flat lumbar curve, back stays nice and flat. And from here, you want to simply stand up to full extension with hips, knees fully locked out, and shoulders over the hips and knees. And that right there